is dusk again. The city life starts. Every fisherman is back to the city. Not for swimming, but to fish. One delicious meals across East Africa. It comes at a cost. Having a night vigil deep into the interiors of the lake. Not for amusement, but work. Floating above the waves. Facing the cold and the wind of the night. You not only need to eat well, but also dress warmly and prepare with tools that can keep you warm when the rain comes down pouring. But the strangest thing of the night is there are no mosquitoes deep in the lake. So no need of mosquito repellent and no need of nets to cover.